For his next big snowboard run. There he goes. Ben, he can do it. Just let him get out of the way. Okay, you guys, coming down. Go ahead. They'll be out of your way. Ben, you don't need to. He can just jump. Just jump, Bobby. You can do it. There you go. See? Now go. Jump again. You can do it. There you go. Look. There you go. Here you go. Okay, Ben, give him a little shove. Woo! Good work, Bobby. Whoa! There he goes. Okay, now Ben's gonna go to the rescue. This is JB signing off from the second report from West Seattle Winter Storm 2012. Beautiful day to play in the snow.